channel. And for those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Solomon. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get into today's video. We're gonna be seeing open houses. Now, open houses is like you just dropping into a house that is for sale, and we're gonna be seeing what the house has to offer. Well, I just got to the place right now. Let's just open. We are able to see the house without them. Nope. Slapping it for something. Okay. And the environment is actually good though. Alright. So it's a cool neighborhood actually. Let's get in and see what this house has to offer. Let's hope she makes us videos of house though. Okay guys, so I just actually got into the house and this is beautiful though. Like, oh, so the hardwood. Now I would say this is the living room kind of. I would suggest this is the living room, but anyways. Now this is the half washroom and oh, the laundry. This is gorgeous. This is wonderful. Now actually I like this. Like I like color. How many rooms is this house?
It's 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms, and how many washrooms?
2 full baths and 1 powder room.
Okay, 2 full bathrooms and 1 powder room. Okay, I actually like the appliances in jet black. It's good. Okay. And how long has this house been on the market for? Like, how long has it been on the market?
How long has been market?
Yeah.
2 days.
Can I take one of this, please?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you. And the woods, are they new, kind of? Like, just painted, right?
No,
The
it's
wood?
original.
Oh, it's original
Yeah,
wood.
it's original. It's a house that's built
yeah.
from 2005.
From 2005. That's good. And these are, what floors are these?
It's engineer.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay. And this is the balcony, right?
Yeah, it's the deck. And the background to green space.
That's nice. We're actually going upstairs right now. So as you guys heard, it's 3 bedrooms kind of, and from here you can actually see someone that comes in like straight up, and just the view you have outside right there. And this is where you actually walk through. This house is beautiful though. Okay. Space. The space is okay. Like legit, the space is actually okay. Like to you. And the house was built in 2005. Nice closets there actually. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. I think this is the master. Pretty much. I'm not sure, but I think so. Okay, nice closet. Next we're going into the full washroom. Ooh, this is beautiful, guys. Actually, seriously, this is good. This is nice. This is a cool tub. This is just a day in me checking out open houses. I actually like looking at open houses. Something I like doing. Okay, so I would say this is the master bedroom. It's that big. Now it has carpets. Now, okay. So there is another washroom in the master bedroom. And this is the full bathroom in the master bedroom, and this is nice. I would actually like what do you guys like? Is it like, would you prefer tiles or carpet? Now this is a walk-in closet. This is nice. This is huge. This is big. What would you guys actually prefer? Now, would you prefer the carpets or tiles on your floors? Because sometimes it's iffy and you don't know which one to pick. Now there are tiles here in the washroom, and this is a good sized bedroom actually. and I actually like this place. This is wonderful. Now this is me looking at open houses. So this is an open house, and let me check here. Let's see. Oh, $599,000. Like guys, $599,900. Yep, and it's been on the market for 2 days. For 2 good days. Wow, she's good. I just finished with that open house. Open houses are like, this gives avenue to like buyers to like come and see the house if they're interested in buying the house. We are actually going to see another place. It's also an open house, so you know we can literally walk in. So guys, we are at this house, right? I'm not sure if they will allow us to video in there, but let's just try it out and see. Like, let's try it and see if they will actually like allow us to like video in it. But fingers crossed. Okay guys, so I was actually able to like get a view of the house, and the lake is pretty chill guys. This is the entrance. Like, this is gorgeous. Oh, so this is like for your courts. This is good guys. Damn, see the floors. And I like the, oh my god, this is wonderful. See this guys. Ooh, now we're talking. Now we are talking guys. This is nice. Okay, so this is 1 bedroom. Wow, like I like the feel of this. This is good. Like, I just love. Wonderful. And this is your view from this room. This is what you see. Like, the view actually sells a lot in the house. And I love the wood on the floor. Like, gives the house light. Like, gives the house. Yeah, let's see what's in here. What's here? So this is like extra closet space. And this is, I think this should be for like your dry and your washer, or your washer and your dryer, whichever way it goes. And this is beautiful. See the tall ceilings guys. This ceiling is so tall. Now this is the master. Just see this guys. This is big, man. I'm dead serious. Okay. Ooh, you get yourself a glass shower. Okay, man, this is life. This is life. Like, you're living life on the spot right now. Ooh, this is good. And I'm liking this. Is wonderful though. And the light, I like the pot lights. Like, this light are called pot lights. This is the closets, which is fairly big. That's for the master door. Then I think we're going to. Okay. Ooh, are you seeing this, guys? Oh, this is wonderful. And then the dual sinks on the island. This is good. Nice drawers though. Oh, lights. This is the vacuum. Something should be here, I guess. Something should be here. So the candles. And this is beautiful. Like, are you guys seeing the light in here? Ooh. This is gorgeous. Okay. This is like the living room. Ooh, are you seeing outside? This is gorgeous. And how much is this house going for? Like, see this view, guys. This is good. Okay, guys. So I just got done looking at the house, and the agent was actually so cool. Like, I actually did experience like last week, but like she actually did allow me to see the house, and the house was wonderful though. It has 2 garage spaces, and the house is going for are like around $900,000. Damn, like $900,000. Guys, this is wonderful though. Like you guys just have to see it. Just see the outside. Anyways, guys, it was nice showing you guys some open houses today. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next video. As always, stay safe, guys.